Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily hide your messages, text messages on your iPhone. So if you don't want to see messages in preview, so if you only want to see it when you open Messages app. So for hiding it, you just need to go to the settings. So just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find your notifications. Just open notifications, and here you just need to find messages. So just open messages, and here you will find show previews. So just tap on show previews and just choose never. So after you choose never, if your iPhone lock, you just see your message from whom you get message, and in text of message you will see message title, so you won't see your message when your iPhone will be locked, and if you tap never you won't see it actually even if you unlock your phone, so you will see it only when you open Messages app. So just try it. I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.